After watching this video, you will never play any game again without getting paid. I mean, you will never use any game that will not reward you with money again. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you um a gaming app where you will be playing game and get rewarded and get paid for it. Yes, though if you want it for entertainment, you can as well be playing it. But those that want to use it as a side hustle income, get in here. Let me show you how to use this app and make cool cash. Okay, so the name of this app is Magica. Okay, Magica game. So if you're looking on my screen now, you'll see that some people are withdrawing successfully, and you can also do that. I will also show you my own withdrawal proof. Okay, so for you to get started on this gaming site, what you need to do is just to click the link at my description or my comment section. It will take you to your Play Store where you download this app. Okay, so after downloading it, make sure that you put my invitation code so that you will receive reward. Okay, you receive reward of $1. If you are in Nigeria, you receive 1,000 550. Yeah, 1,005. That is what you will receive. So for you to play this game, first of all, you need to know the rules and regulation. Each day, you need to complete your mission. If you look under here, you see grand prize, mission, and invite. So when you click on mission, this is the things you need to be completing every day. Invite friends. This one is not even important, but if you have friends to invite, you can also invite them. So the ones that are very important for you to do every day is download and play, complete 5 times, every video, cumulative video, pass level 30, 0 over 30, then be online for 30 minutes every day. So those tasks is very easy. Once you click on download, it will ask you to download now. Okay, once you click on download now, it will bring out a video for you. So in that video, it will show you install. So once you click install, it will take you to Play Store. Please don't download the app, just click out to come out from Play Store. And when it will take you back to the app, or it will take you back to your phone, then you come back to the app again. So once you do it, once you do it, that task has count. So have you seen it? I've clicked it. It's telling me to download it from my Play Store, my Palm Store, or my APK. Let me just click on, it's already on Play Store. Let me click just once. Okay, it will take me to my Play Store. You click and go back. So have you seen it? It has counted. See it down here. Download and play. So after 4 minutes now, it will show me receive and another one will come because it is two. Then cumulative videos like this download and play now. I've watched video, it's reading. And when you're playing the game, you lose. It will also you also watch ad for it to continue counting. This one is pass level. This one is be online. So this one is every video. Once you click it, advert will also do. Then after the advert, you click that and come back to the app. So every day, make sure that you complete it and claim all these things here. Today's active, this 36, 36, 18, and the one. Make sure that you claim all of them. You see, this certificate is very, very important because this is what will help you to withdraw your money. Okay, this is what they need, either this or invitation. So invitation might be difficult for you, so it's better that you will be completing your mission every day, your tasks every day, so that you'll be able to accumulate this certificate. At least you have up to 15 to 20 certificates before you can withdraw. So let me show you guys how to play this game. You just click on game. I have lost, so I play. So once the advert finish, you click confirm. Have you seen it? It has gone there. So there are two places that you'll be earning money. One is on this green note. This is the first place. Then the second place is here on your coin. As you can see, this is my balance for now. I just withdrew from there. Let me show you my withdrawal proof. I withdrew $1.34 and it was just yesterday. Okay, yeah, it was just yesterday to show you that it is really paying. So as you're playing, you'll be accumulating coin, and when you tap on here, you also see So once you're playing, this place now will be showing green. So once you see that it's showing green, this place says today's shortage, long-term shortage, you just click them and claim the reward. They are coins. You accumulate all these coins, okay? Once you're claiming it, it is coming to your green note and it is also accumulating on your coin. So once you reach $1 here, you can withdraw, okay? Yeah, you don't need any certificate here. You just withdraw it. All right, so that's it. Once you finish your mission, come to grand prize and receive your reward. As you can see, it's been a long. I've played this game for almost 1 month now. Yeah, almost 1 month now. So I've finished or I've passed all the levels here. I've claimed all the reward here. So you as a new user, once you join, make sure that after playing your game every day, come here to receive the level that you have passed. Okay, it started from level 5 to level 360. So this is that certificate I'm talking about. Here is where you see it also. Once you click here, you see I've accumulated 21 certificates. So do not exchange it. So do not exchange it to money, because if you exchange it, you start all over to accumulate certificates for withdrawal. So leave it here, because you're going to make use of it during your green note withdrawal. This one now that is here. So that is where I'll be stopping now on this video. In my next video, I will also make a video on how I was able to withdraw from my green note. For this one, okay, I forgot. The withdrawal method is PayPal. Yeah, you all know it's PayPal. Okay, so once you come here, fix your PayPal. Okay, you put your PayPal and confirm it. Okay, so that's it. Once you want to withdraw, once you reach $1 here, you can just place your withdrawal and withdraw on your con side. You don't have any problem that side. So that's it. Make sure that every day you complete your mission so that you'll be able to accumulate certificates that you will use for withdrawal. So in this 2026, stop playing games that will not reward you unless you're doing it for fun. If you're not doing it for fun, please use it as a side hustle income, because it can fix you money for subscription, buy chicks and all the things. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and this game site, it might work for you, it might not work for you if you're using it for a side hustle income. So as of the time I'm recording this video, it worked for me. That is why I am bringing it to you guys. All right, feel free to make your own research before you join. Without no further ado, let's call it a day. Till I see you guys next time. Don't go away, don't go away.